Good morning, everyone. This is Brad Langdon from MarineMax Lake Norman. This morning I'm going to walk you through a 2022 230 Harris Solstice. This boat comes equipped with a chestnut interior, an awesome dash with a JL audio control head, 9-inch Simrad GPS depth finder, wireless charger, digital throttle, in-floor storage, very spacious front seating, diamond stitching, 3 cup holders on each side, port to starboard, JL audio sound system. Looking aft, you can see the SL layout, Ultralux helm chair. This boat is equipped with a tower, fender holders in the rear. It is also equipped with a 250 horse Mercury outboard. If you're interested in this boat, please give me a call, 704-215-3599. Again, this is Brad Langdon, MarineMax Lake Norman. Thank you.